Hello and welcome to Farm Matters. In this tutorial we will be looking at how to add a cattle death. If I begin by choosing the cattle tab at the top and then on farm and events, you'll see this brings up my current grid of animals on farm. If I then choose an animal, I right click and choose events and then death, this will then take me to the screen to input the information related to the death. You can then start populating the fields with the information that is required. If you notice when I hover over move from and move to and then left click over it, you'll see this brings up the information for the location. This is just to verify that this is the correct information that you're inputting. I can then continue to put the information in and then click next. I am then taken to this mini grid. If I wish to add more animals, I can do this in a variety of ways. I can choose to add them manually by using the green plus sign in the top left. You can then search for the animals that you would like adding to the event. You can also import animals using a CSV file or an EID reader, using the buttons highlighted. Another way to add an animal is simply to choose the barcode icon and then scan the barcode, and as you can see, this then adds the animal into the mini grid. If you're happy, you can then click next and go through the screens until you come to the final summary screen. When you come to the summary screen, it is important to give the information one final check to ensure you're happy with the information you have input. It is also worth mentioning that deaths can be reported directly to BCMS, but the passports would still need to be returned. If I then click Finish, as you can see, the information is now being committed to the records. You can alter the settings of this event to suit your own personal needs by going back into the death event. You'll notice in the bottom left hand corner the cog, which is there to change the settings. You can use the drop down menus or the magnifying glasses to the right hand side to set these to the default information you would like. You can also choose if you would like an animal automatically removed from groups or pens when death occurs by using these buttons here. You can also choose if you would like to keep the notes page available by clicking this box here. If you're happy with your settings, you can then click OK, and these will then have been changed. If you need to edit or undo an event, simply go to the Edit Undo Events tab at the top of the screen and then find the event that you would like to change. You then click on it, you can choose View Edit, and this then brings up the information of the event where you can edit this information. If you would like to undo the event completely, you would choose the Undo Event button and then click Yes. And as you can see, the event has then been undone. Hopefully, some of the things you have watched will help you maximize your use of the program. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and click the subscribe button below.